We have Shane. We have Manang Bibe. We have Mama Max. We have Tita Arlene. Leslie. Karen. And Nikki. Alto. We have Mom Benz. Tita Ofer. Liza. Shara. And Eliza. For our tenor, we have Pastor Dan and RC. For our bass, we have Toto JL. Para sa ating musician, magpambala po mga tukaris. We have Andre, Lay, Rex Gamay, may Rex Tapo. We have Donna, Yuan, we have Tita, MJ, Joser, Abby, nagkakataon nga, music master, si Arne. So, thank you very much sa inyo, Barangay Maribagan Oeste, and hoping that hindi lang yung una, magpasundan pa rin. So, we will take our bow. Kita na. Kita ba the musicians? And 1, 2, 3, bow. Thank you very much. So this time we will give a certificate